What are futures? Futures are a form of derivative contract that allows you to buy or sell a commodity asset or safety at a predetermined future date for a predetermined price. Futures contracts, also known as futures, are bartered on futures exchanges such as CME Group and require a brokerage authorized to trade futures. In today's video, you will know everything about the future, so without further ado, let's begin. Like an option contract, a future contract involves both a buyer and a seller. However, unlike options, which can lose value when they expire, the buyer must buy and receive the underlying security when a futures contract expires. The seller is obligated to have and deliver the underlying asset. Why trade in futures? Individual traders and investors frequently use futures to predict the underlying asset's prospective price movement. They try to profit by predicting where the market will go for a specific commodity, index, or financial instrument. Some investors also use futures contracts as a hedge, typically to help offset prospective market movements in a specific commodity that would otherwise impact their portfolio or business. Of course, stocks or exchange-traded fund can also be used to speculate on or hedge against future market movements. Of course, they all have risks that you should be aware of, but the futures market can provide some distinct advantages that the stock market cannot. Firstly, it's leveraging. To establish an equity positions in a margin account, you must pay 50% or more of the account's full market value. In the case of futures, the required initial margin amount is typically set at 3 until 10% of the underlying contract value. That leverage allows you to generate higher returns relative to the amount of money invested, but it also exposes you to the chance of losing more than your initial investment. Secondly, it's diversified. Future allows you to broaden your investments in ways that stocks and ETFs cannot. For example, they can provide you with direct selling exposure to underpinning resource assets rather than secondary sell goods such as stocks. Furthermore, they give you access to investments that aren't typically found in other markets. Futures may also be used if you are looking for techniques to help manage some of the risk associated with upcoming events that may move the markets. Thirdly, it has short selling. With futures, the profit margin is the same for long and short positions, allowing for a bearish stance or positions reversal without additional margin. Finally, it provides tax benefits. When compared to other short-term trading markets, future can provide a potential tax benefit. This is because profitable futures traders are taxed at 60-40 split. 60% of profits are taxed as long-term capital gains and 40% as ordinary income. Contrast this with stock trading, where profits on stock held for less than a year are taxed at 100% as ordinary income. What are the uses of futures? Futures generally have two uses in investing: hedging and speculation. The first is hedging with futures. Futures contracts purchased or sold to obtain or deliver the underpinning commodity are commonly used for hedging by institutional investors or industries, often to better handle the potential price risk of that commodity or their processes or investment portfolio. The second is speculating with futures. This is a useful feature based on speculation investors and traders who do not own the underlying good or service and do not wish to do so. Instead, they can buy or sell futures contracts to express their views on the path of a commodity market and possibly profit from it. They will then buy or sell an offsetting futures contract position before expiration to eliminate any obligations to the actual commodity. So this is all about today's video. Stay tuned and subscribe for more uploads like this.